In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a new line in a cell or a formula in Google Sheets, a handy trick for anyone looking to make their spreadsheets more organized and readable. Whether you're formatting text for clarity, inserting notes, or arranging data neatly, knowing how to add line breaks can take your sheet skills to the next level. Let's get started. First, open your Google Sheets document where you want to work. If you don't have a particular sheet in mind, you can create a new one by heading to sheets.google.com and clicking on the plus sign to start a blank spreadsheet. This will give you a fresh canvas to practice on. Once you're in your spreadsheet, locate the cell into which you wish to insert the new line. Click to select that cell. It should become highlighted, indicating that it's ready to be edited. Now, to add a new line within a cell, begin by double-clicking on your chosen cell. This action will activate the cell, allowing you to enter or edit the text within it. With the cell active, position your cursor at the exact point where you'd like the new line to start. This step is crucial because the line break will be inserted precisely where you place your cursor. Now, hold down the Alt key if you're on a Windows machine, or the Option key if you're using a Mac. While holding either the Alt or Option key, press the Enter key. It's important that you continue to hold the Alt or Option key when you press Enter. Otherwise, Google Sheets will move the cursor to the very next cell below, which isn't what we want. Once you've done this correctly, you'll notice that a new line has instantly appeared within your cell at the desired location. You can now continue typing on this next line without any issues. You can repeat this process within the same cell to add multiple line breaks, allowing you to create versatile and well-organized text blocks. This can be particularly useful in instances where you're adding addresses, lists, or even creating makeshift tables within a single cell. If you're unhappy with how your text appears, remember that you can always adjust the width and height of your cell. Simply drag the cell borders either horizontally or vertically to create more space, ensuring that your new lines display as intended. For those who are working with formulas, the process is identical. Just navigate to the formula bar at the top of your sheet, click where you'd like the new line, and apply the same Alt or Option plus Enter combo. And there you have it, an easy method to insert line breaks in Google Sheets. With this approach, you'll be able to enhance the readability and organization of your data significantly. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Google Sheets tips and tricks.